Hello, I'm Chief Jailer Kirk Fields, and I want to share an update on the work being done inside the Shelby County Sheriff's Office Jail located at 201 Poplar over the past year. Namely, what we've accomplished, where we've made progress, and what we're planning for the future. In 2025, one of our biggest priorities was addressing long-standing infrastructure challenges inside our jail facilities. After more than a year of research, we completed a comprehensive 177-page jail needs assessment, which was presented to the County Commission in June. This assessment clearly outlined the condition of our current facilities, the impact of overcrowding, and what will be needed over the next 20 years to safely and responsibly operate our jail system. At the downtown jail, 201 Poplar, maintenance demands remain extremely high. In 2024, we averaged more than 1,000 work orders each month. In October of 2025 alone, nearly 900 work orders were submitted and more than 850 were completed. That's a 16% increase from last year and reflects both age of the building and our commitment to staying on top of the repairs. The assessment also confirms what we see daily. Our jail population regularly exceeds capacity. The rated capacity is 2,471 beds, but monthly populations continue to go beyond that number. The assessment recommends planning for up to 1,000 additional beds over the next 2 decades. To address these challenges long term, the county funded a master planning phase for a proposed new justice center that looked at the former Firestone site in North Memphis. The proposed facility would have housed up to 3,000 inmates and brought courts and sheriff's operations into one modern, consolidated location. This project was estimated at $1.26 billion, with $350,000 already allocated for planning. However, that effort was voted down by the County Commission. In the meantime, we continue to invest in safety upgrades, replacing outdated doors, locks, and security equipment, and increasing both scheduled and surprise shakedowns. In October alone, 202 shakedowns were conducted, a 20% increase from last year. We also continue rigorous environmental and health inspections. This year, nearly 300 kitchen inspections and more than 3,400 floor inspections were completed. Most importantly, the Tennessee Corrections Institute recertified the main jail on December 3, 2025. Our facilities also remain accredited by the American Correctional Association and the National Commission on Correctional Health Care. Rehabilitation remains a core part of our mission. We operate 3 therapeutic community units that provide 24-hour cognitive behavioral programs for both men and women. These units focus on substance abuse recovery, anger management, social skills, and reentry planning. Inmates also have access to adult basic education and high-set preparation and testing, as well as vocational training in areas like logistics, electrical skills, and OSHA certification. Through our partnership with Hope Works, participants complete a 13-week program that includes more than 220 hours of instruction, counseling, and mentoring, preparing them for employment and personal growth after release. We also offer substance abuse treatment, domestic violence intervention, creative arts programs, and life skills classes that help individuals cope, grow, and prepare for reentry. Participation in these programs continue to grow. In October 2025, more than 1,800 residents participated in programs at the downtown jail alone, a 40% increase from the previous month. Year to date, nearly 10,000 residents have participated in structured programming. Our staff are the backbone of everything we do. Between 2024 and 2025, we've hired 134 new corrections deputies to address staffing shortages. Starting salaries are now over $49,000, increasing to more than $63,000 after 5 years, along with signing bonuses and tuition reimbursement. More than 1,000 employees received training this year, including new hire orientation, in-service training, and specialized instruction in crisis intervention, mental health response, PREA compliance, and jail operations. We've also increased accountability. More than 700 corrective actions were taken this year, reflecting our commitment to professional standards and integrity. Under Sheriff Floyd Bonner's leadership, drawing on more than 40 years of law enforcement experience, we continue to build a culture of professionalism, responsibility, and continuous improvement. In October 2025, the average daily jail population reached over 3,215, well above capacity. About 300 beds are often unavailable due to maintenance or classification requirements. Bookings increased 14% compared to last year, driven in part by increased enforcement efforts including the Memphis Safe Task Force. Despite these pressures, we've made major improvements in intake efficiency. At the downtown jail, average booking times dropped by 81% compared to last year. Releases are happening faster, as well as nearly 3,000 inmates were released in October, and the average length of stay has been cut by more than half. Classification processes have also improved, ensuring inmates are housed appropriately based on risk, gender, age, and medical needs. Given the population challenges, I have worked closely with the sheriff to identify alternative holding locations for our residents. One in particular is the Federal Corrections Institute located in Milton. We are working closely with our federal partners to bring the facility up to the required standards to meet our needs. Safety is always our top priority. We enforce a zero-tolerance policy for sexual assault and misconduct under PREA, with reporting hotlines and mental health staff available year-round. Security operations have intensified, including increased shakedowns and contraband seizures. While overall serious violence incidents are down significantly year over year, we are responding aggressively to any rise in assaults on staff through targeted training and interventions. Medical and mental health services remain active and robust, with hundreds of assessments, sick calls, emergency responses, and provider visits conducted each month. Narcan continues to be used to prevent opioid overdoses, reflecting our commitment to harm reduction and life-saving care. Successful reentry makes our community safer. Through partnership with Hope Works, Life Together, Forgiveness House, the Office of Reentry, and others, individuals leaving custody receive help with housing, employment, identification documents, health care, and family reunification. Programs like Final Escape and Hope Works have helped reduce recidivism, with hundreds of graduates securing stable jobs and housing. Sheriff Floyd Bonner Jr. wants the public to know this. A stable and properly functioning jail is essential to public safety, public health, and justice. Our goal is to operate safe, humane, and efficient facilities that respect human dignity. These challenges cannot be solved by one agency alone. That's why collaboration with county leaders, courts, community partners, and residents is essential. Our staff are our greatest asset, and their dedication and professionalism make these improvements possible. We believe in second chances, and through education, treatment, and reentry support, we are helping people rebuild their lives. Finally, we remain committed to transparency, accountability, building a safer, stronger future for Shelby County. Thank you.